Imagine waking up one day and realizing that 90% of the jobs we know today no longer exist. Doctors, lawyers, even Hollywood actors, all replaced by artificial intelligence. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you it's already happening? AI is not just a tool anymore. It's learning, evolving, and making decisions, sometimes even better than humans. But here's the real question. Is this the greatest invention in human history, or the beginning of our downfall? Stay with us as we uncover how AI is shaping our world, our jobs, and even our very existence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't new. It started as a simple concept teaching machines to think like humans. But today, it has evolved into something far more powerful. AI is everywhere. Your smartphone, your car, your Netflix recommendations, even your doctor's diagnosis. AI is not just performing tasks, it's making decisions. And sometimes, those decisions are beyond our understanding. In the past, machines replaced physical labor. Today, AI is replacing mental labor. From customer service chatbots to AI-generated news articles, jobs that once required human intelligence are now being done by machines. Some experts predict that by 2030, over 300 million jobs could be lost to AI. So, if AI can think, analyze, and even create, what will be left for humans? But wait, before you panic, there's another side to this story. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's saving lives. AI-powered medical scans can detect diseases faster than doctors. AI in agriculture is solving food shortages. AI in space exploration is taking us to Mars. With AI, we could solve the world's biggest problems, or create new ones we never expected. But here's the scary part. What if AI becomes too powerful? Governments are already using AI for surveillance, and hackers are exploiting AI to create untraceable cybercrimes. And then, there's the biggest fear of all. What if AI no longer needs us? Some scientists warn that if AI surpasses human intelligence, we could lose control forever. The question is, will we be able to stop it before it's too late? AI is the most powerful tool humanity has ever created, but whether it becomes our greatest ally or our worst enemy is up to us. The future is still unwritten. What do you think? Will AI make our world a better place, or will it take over? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay curious.